I received this product for you to try. Here are the acrylic paints and the brushes that come with them. There are 3 flat brushes and 2 round brushes. The colors are absolutely yummy and gorgeous. Oh, let's use the brushes. I used palette knife and a brush, so they're creamy and it's such a pleasure to work with them on a canvas. I like how the colors are vibrant and there's a good mix of cool and warm colors that go together very well, and you can start painting immediately without trying to mix your colors, since there are a few greens and blues and reds and they look so great. I enjoyed working and having brushes to go with them. That's really handy. Happy painting!